What's up, guys? Happy 4th of July. Happy Independence Day. I'm sitting in a long-ass line to get gas at Sheetz for $1.76. We may have all gotten a gift for Independence Day from a great American. You know, I had seen some comments popping up in a few of my videos about Cooper Webb, Star Yamaha, Tomac retiring, people saying he's not done, he's not done. I didn't really believe them. I thought that was just wishful thinking. And now, according to Vital MX, Tomac is signing a 2-year deal with Yamaha. That, I mean, I might have expected a 2-year deal is pretty interesting. It seems like to me, maybe this injury, maybe this freak Achilles injury just maybe made Tomac mad. Maybe it just made him angry and want to get back out there and win some more. So what's this mean? This means Yamaha is going to be even more stacked next year. They're going to have Tomac and Webb and Deegan, and rumor is Justin Cooper as well, I think, on 250s still, which is like weird. But Ferrandis will be departing, and there have been rumors that he had talked to Hep, which there was also rumors that Hep might leave and go to Kawasaki, as their brand. But Ferrandis was on the Pulp Show the other night and didn't mention any of that, so that makes us think that nothing's solidified or nothing's been signed yet. He even hinted at retirement. So I don't know, man. We get Tomac back, and coming to next season, everybody's healthy. It's going to be a stacked field again with Jet in the 450 class now. That's pretty exciting, and I'm pumped and thankful that Tomac still wants to ride dirt bikes. What do you guys think, though? Coming back from this injury, he's going to have missed substantial time. Will he still have Jet speed? Y'all be safe out there tonight.